Hey guys, Gabe here with AOT, and today I am back with another video. And today is kind of different. It's not, but it is. I got my hands on the freaking Microsoft's Bliss stuff that they were selling. And I believe I'm like one of the first people to get it. I don't know for sure, don't quote me on that. And I decided to make a video on it. I'm sorry for another hiatus. Honestly, I don't really have much room to make videos with the actual hardware like I usually do. This is pretty much the only little space that I have, and that's kind of why I've just like lost motivation to make videos because, you know, lack of space. But that's not why I'm here. I will make a video. There will also be another video coming out eventually, maybe, explaining why I changed my channel name. Pretty much just has to do with I don't really want to have any inconveniences, like maybe getting sued or cease and desist or whatever the heck by, you know, like Microsoft or whatever, because of an email they sent me for a website, whenever I was trying to make a website. Anyways, moving on. When they first announced this, I immediately was like, oh my gosh, I have got to get my hands on these immediately. And I tried doing research, trying to figure out how to get it or whatever. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them at the time because it was only available to Microsoft employees, I believe. And then I'm not sure what happened after that. But they finally released them to the public, and I got my hands on them. So I decided I'm going to show them off to everyone. But first, in case you guys didn't know, it also comes with a Bliss tote bag. Oh, it's so cool, dude. It's got the Microsoft 50 logo, too. Look at that. Oh, it's awesome. It's Bliss on both sides. I believe that is all that is inside. Or that is all. There's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing inside. It is just the Bliss bag. And I'm so excited for this. I've always wanted official, like, merch like this from Microsoft. But that is not why you're here. What you are actually here for is these. Oh my gosh, I actually had got my hands on them. I honestly am probably never going to wear them. But let's go ahead and take these out. Take a closer look. And these are, by the way, these are official Crocs. So, look at these beautiful shoes that I got my hands on that I, again, probably will never wear in my life just because I want to keep them as good as I possibly can. This is basically a collector's item to me, this tote bag and these shoes, and I will definitely be adding it to my collection of Windows stuff. I believe that these button things can be moved around, but I will leave them just as they came. I probably shouldn't have spun this one around, but so it's the Bliss Crocs, guys. I got my hands on the Bliss Crocs. You got a folder icon there for some reason. A very old-fashioned Internet Explorer icon. That's like Internet Explorer 6. Clippy with a notepad background on the left shoe here, and this does move around like that. There's nothing really special under it, just a more texture. And on this one, you got the MSN logo, you got a mouse cursor, I guess, and the old Windows 9X recycle bin. Rye, do you mind? Psst. And on the bottom, simply just the Crocs logo, the sizes, where it's made in. What does that say? Boulder, Colorado? Oh, really? That's interesting. Crocs.com. So, yeah. I decided to make a quick little video showing these shoes off. You know what? I fortunately have socks on, so I won't be doing it. Let me see how these feel. Ooh, I'm actually surprised. These feel pretty good. I'm gonna be a foot model, but with socks. Can anyone explain to me why you would wear Crocs without having the band back here? Because I thought they were supposed to be back here to hold it in place. But I think people wear it without doing that. It doesn't make sense to me. So, yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this really short video. Honestly, this was very short for me. That's probably why I was so okay with doing a video on it, because it's so freaking short. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share this video with your friends in case any of them are interested in shoes like this. I did pay... So I paid $105 after taxes and shipping for these shoes. So just be warned, this stuff is... These are very expensive to be shoes. I mean, actually, that's actually pretty cheap for shoes in today's world. And it comes with a tote bag. But hey, you know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.